Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Sipsby unboxing and review video. For those of you who don't know, this is a sponsored video. Sipsby does send me these boxes every month so I can unbox them and review them with you here on my channel. I do have a discount code if you are interested in purchasing your own Sipsby box. I will put the code right here on the screen. You do not have to use it, but if you do, thank you so much. I appreciate it. The cool thing about Sipsby is that you can personalize your own box. You go on their website and you take the quiz, then they will send you your personalized box every month. So the first box we're going to start off with is the February box, and it says made for Donna. Don't mind my swatches. I was swatching my BoxyCharm box earlier today. So I need to look on Pinterest, or I need to research how to up my tea game, because I feel like just drinking them plain by themselves isn't enough. Like maybe I should add creamer or honey. But if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them down below because I will be reading them. Let's start with this first one. This is the Maya Chai. So this one is caffeine free, a stimulating spike of spice, top notes layered over roasted ramon seeds and chicory. Accented with creamy vanilla, this caffeine-free blend is rich in antioxidants and prebiotics. But this sounds pretty good. You know, when I go to Starbucks and if I'm going to order when I go to Starbucks and if I do have tea, I will have the chai. So I am excited to try this Maya Chai. The next one is the Tulsi Honey Chamomile. And this is caffeine-free, revered in India as the queen of herbs. Tulsi, which means holy basil, supports stress, mood, the immune system, and detoxification. This blend provides a soothing, stress-relieving break. So this sounds like something I need right about now. I am excited to try this. I don't know about the chamomile, the honey. Yes, but I love that this says stress relieving and calming. Caffeine free or caffeine, I don't really have a preference. I do both, but I'm excited about this. The next one I absolutely love the packaging. It is the Blackberry Sage, and it is high caffeine, finest quality black tea leaves mingle with sweet, fragrant blackberries and cool, soothing white sage. The mild, head-clearing character of white sage contributes to a wise tea mind. Cool. Okay. And the last one that I got, these are interesting. They look like this. And wait, what is this? So this one is the matcha cocoa latte. Look how cute and small. This is medium caffeine. This pure blend of matcha and cocoa powder makes a delicious cocoa matcha latte, hot or cold. We love it with a non-dairy milk such as oat, rice, or almond milk. Okay, premium organic matcha green tea with cocoa. This one sounds pretty good. Okay, then we have these postcards in here. How cute is this? Up your latte game. Oh, and it even shows how to make it. Cool. Okay, this one's just like a regular. Oh, this one's so cool. Oh, I cannot wait to do this. So be sure you're following me on my social media. All the links will be down below because when I do try this one, I will post it on all my social media. Now we are going to move on to our next box. This is the Love Potions box. That sounds very interesting. Made for love. So I think this is just an extra box that they sent me, I'm thinking. This box looks like this. I love these little baggies. All the teas that I've ever received that come into these little baggies are usually sweet. Oh yeah, look, chocolate Earl Grey. Uh-oh. So they just look like this. There's two more in here that look just like this. Okay, I'm just guessing. It's like, because they're usually sweet. They're always sweet, the ones that they send me, but it's like a block of sugar. It's like a block of, sorry. It's like a block of sugar with tea in there, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back. Chocolate Earl Grey, high caffeine. This bold combination is great for Earl Grey and chocolate lovers alike. Magically brew up a cup with the flavor and benefits of loose leaf tea without the waste or mess of steeping. I love that. We don't have to steep. We just drop one of these blocks in 8 to 12 ounces of water. I'm like, what's this? Sipsby reusable muslin cloth tea bag, disposable bags inside. Oh, that's cool. This is so cool. Look at these. Oh, so is this for like loose leaf tea? Guys, I am very much new to tea. But look, how cute are these? These little pouches open like this. You put your tea in there, pull it, tie it, and then put it in hot water. That's pretty cool. The next one that I have is this Tulsi ashwagandha. Sorry. Ashwagandha. I'm sorry. I'm butchering the name. This is caffeine free, revered in India as the queen of herbs. Tulsi, which is holy basil, helps you open your heart to receive love. Ashwagandha is a natural source of energy to power your quest for love. Pretty cool. Love potions. So for this next one, I got 2 of these. Is this cacao tea? Cacao? Is that how you say it? Cacao? Caffeine free. This cacao tea is light with a hint of chocolate. Cacao helps your body release endorphins, providing an instant mood boost, perfect for attracting love from the universe. Okay. Gluten-free and vegan, a great source of antioxidants, iron, magnesium, and zinc. And this last one for the love potion box is Asthet. And I only got 1 of these. It says high caffeine. This blend of black tea, rose, caraway, and fennel supports mood enhancement and helps you awaken your heart to the power of love, delicious and romantic. Okay, so that is all we have for the love potion. And our last box is a mood boosting tea box. It says made for good moods. I need this box. Oh, here, I wonder if I could prop this here. Oh, good. Okay, so the first thing, how cute is this? Look at this. The first thing is Tea Pigs Happy Herbal Tea with Lemon Balm. This is caffeine free. We all need our spirits lifted sometimes. If you're feeling a little down, then sip on a cup of happy, an uplifting organic blend that includes turmeric, apple, and lemon balm. I'm gonna need to order some more happy tea, like feel good teas. Look, how cute is this? And then we got another muslin cloth and then the disposable tea bags inside. So this next one is for positive energy. I love these colors. Look at this orange against my nails. Kind of reminds me of Halloween, right? So this one is high caffeine. This tea combines herbs used to uplift the spirit with Assam black tea and green mate to provide energy. Okay, so get the most out of every cup. And then on the back, it has like some directions. So I got 3 of these. These look very suspicious. The packaging just looks very suspect to me. But this is medium caffeine. Tamina aims to help develop the Afghan saffron industry, providing employment to women and connecting local farmers with international markets to export the luxury spice. So I'm wondering, okay, on the back it says ingredients: sencha, ginger root, lemongrass, peppermint, saffron, and natural flavors. And what kind of mood is this? I told you this packaging is a little suspect, but I don't know. Mood. I don't know. Saffron Sencha? There's no mood for this one, but I guess I'm going to let you guys know as soon as I try that out. And then this one is caffeine free. Life is full of stressful surprises, but lucky for us, life is also full of tea. Relax and unwind with this soothing herbal infusion of calming lavender and rejuvenating spearmint. Cool. This packaging is so serious, kind of like the other one. So that wraps it up for my Sipsby unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and join my YouTube family. I would really, really appreciate it. Again, all the information that you need to know about this video will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.